Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Certified Azure Architect Design, AZ 304. Module 5, Design Business Continuity. 1. Understanding business continuity. This section would likely begin with defining business continuity and its importance in maintaining operations during unexpected events. It might cover concepts like risk assessment, impact analysis, and recovery objectives. 2. Azure Services for Business Continuity. Azure offers a range of services that can be leveraged for business continuity, such as Azure Site Recovery (ASR), Azure Backup, and Azure Site-to-Site VPN. This part would delve into the features and capabilities of these services and how they can be integrated into a business continuity plan. 3. High Availability Architectures. Designing for high availability is crucial for minimizing downtime. This section would explore various Azure architectural patterns and best practices for achieving high availability, including redundancy, fault tolerance, and load balancing. 4. Disaster Recovery Planning. Beyond high availability, organizations need plans for recovering from major disasters. This might involve replicating data and services to secondary Azure regions, establishing failover procedures, and automating recovery processes. 5. Testing and maintenance. Business continuity plans must be regularly tested and updated to ensure effectiveness. Module 5 would likely cover strategies for testing continuity plans, such as failover drills and simulation exercises, as well as ongoing maintenance tasks. 6. Compliance and governance. Compliance requirements often dictate business continuity practices. This section might discuss how Azure services can help meet regulatory requirements and ensure data protection and privacy during continuity events. 7. Cost optimization. While ensuring business continuity is critical, it's also important to optimize costs associated with continuity measures. Module 5 might address strategies for balancing resilience with cost-effectiveness, such as leveraging Azure reserved instances and right-sizing resources. 8. Integration with Azure Monitor and Security Center. Monitoring and security are integral components of any business continuity plan. Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center provide tools for monitoring and protecting Azure resources, and this part of the module would likely explore how to integrate these services into continuity strategies.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.